Alrighty, update on the Exocet again. Still have not made it 100% road legal. Still waiting for my paperwork in the mail. I'm with a plucking. Uneventful news. My fuel tank is rusting out, unfortunately. And I think out of frustration, I just threw the old filter away. But the old, anyways, the fuel filter was completely filled with rust, and I was still having issues because I finally got it out for a long road test, and I brought my laptop and I was trying to tune, and it always started breaking up up top. The ignition would start breaking up. I said, dang, maybe I need new plugs. It kind of felt like ignition breakup to me, and it wasn't leaning out, which is weird. Well, that wasn't until later when I kept adding fuel, and I was like, dude, something's not right. I've added way too much fuel in this map, and it's still leaning out sometimes. Well, it made its way to the injectors. So here is some of the injectors that I tapped out. You can see inside them that there's, like, you can't see, but I can see there's rust and chunks coming out here. So I'm gonna clean these. I don't want to spend money on new ones, which is what I should do probably. Oh, look at how much is getting that. So these are filled with rust, and therefore it's leaning out and breaking up top. So yeah, that kind of sucks to be me. So I ordered a new gas tank. That'll be here soon, hopefully. And yeah, I want to get my fenders back on, honestly. After I went for a drive, I ran through some puddles. It was kind of sucked. It just soaks you. Sprays all over your face. So I gotta fix a bracket for one of my fenders somewhere. I don't remember which one broke. One of them broke, and I gotta trim them back because they keep flapping against the tire. Okay, that was kind of easy. I put the cups at the top and then lubed up the O-rings, put those on. I didn't have any more of the isopropyl alcohol. I might have to go buy some because this vial's pretty low. I use acetone, which should be fine, just to get a base run. So if I want to idle test, I guess I can do it. Well, the high speed was a problem, so I'm gonna go test number 4 and then start. Terrible. Extremely bad. These ones I'm gonna unplug these first ones to make sure that it actually has enough flow to keep up. I didn't even see with pressure, but you can see these are terrible, so I'm gonna write this all down. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do the ultrasonic cleaning and then see. I'm not gonna do the back flushing yet. So I think I'm gonna modify a few of these caps. Maybe I'll just do a couple so I don't ruin all my friends' things, because the tips are just too long, or I'm just special ed and I can't figure it out. But I'm gonna do the ultrasonic cleaner and see how they flow after that. Exciting. All right, so I put them through the ultrasonic cleaner and I blew air in them backwards, so I couldn't get them to work flush backwards. So here we're at now. And now they're all, let's see, like 45, 45, 40, 44, 40. They're all like within way better than each other, because when I ran the initial test, it was at 60, 60, and somewhere at 30, and you could tell they were barely squirting anything. It's pretty cool. So I guess I can throw these back in. Obviously, I'm gonna clean the fuel rail. I gotta take the fuel pressure regulator apart, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, let's see what we have in the regulator. I don't know what size that is. Probably standard or something stupid. Oh my god, what is the 3 standard? Alright, let's see if there's any metal in here. 3 standard aeromotive. There we got their spring. A little thingy and a thingy and a thingy. It's hard to say, really. I'm just gonna blow it out anyways. I'm gonna go inside, it's freaking cold out here, man. Sorry, it was like that. Take this apart. All right, so I'm getting ready to drop the tank. I'm just gonna look at the sock. Sock's pretty, it's got the same stuff that was in the injectors, and then there's some rust down there for sure. So I'm gonna take this aside. I'm just gonna leave what's in the tank. It's only like 5 gallons. So I'll just leave that in there. Bug. And then just dump it in the new one, or maybe just not use it at all, I don't know. There's a lot of stuff floating around in there, so I'm gonna go grab the new tank.